Hi there again. I'm back with another video. This time it is called Pulichakeerai recipe I'm going to make, and you even call it gongura, okay? And actually it's a type of roselle. It's the same family, but I think it's not exactly roselle. But even roselle, the plant you can use. Okay, this one I bought it. Okay, I'll show you how to do this Keerai Kadayal, you call it. That means mashed veggie lah, this one. So how I do is I pull out the leaves like this. Just pull out the leaves. You know, this part take out, the big part of it take out. Okay, so you see they have tiny. The leaf is like this. In case you don't know what this is. Okay, we have the roselle growing here. Even roselle can be used, but don't use very old leaves. So you just pluck it out like this. You know, the big, just take out the leaves, leave all these big things here. You don't need it. Okay, we are going to boil it, strain it, and then we're going to make the mashed roselle leaves, which is we call it Pulichakeerai. Okay, we've already removed all the stalks and we've washed the Pulichakeerai, the veggie, the roselle leaves, or whatever we call it. And then we have some dry prawns. Then it's very simple actually. We have one small onion I cut, a little bit garlic and dry chili. If you want to add more chili, go ahead. For us, this is sufficient. And also a pinch of salt. Salt very little. And I have this mixed spices that I'm going to use later. Okay. These are the things only. It's very simple, very quick dish. But first we need to boil this leaf. So I will on the stove. I'll add the water in. You don't need too much of water. Just boil it until this one change color. Okay. It will change brown like this. Then you got to pour out the water, sieve it, pour out the water and let just the leaves remain. We're going to use the boiled leaves. So the color is changing, if you can see nicely. Okay, it's done. We off it. Okay. I'm going to pour it into this. I'm going to take it out and put it into this so that the water drips down. Okay, I'm going to remove it. Now I'm going to on it again. So you need a little bit oil, obviously. Okay. You know the mixed spices? A little will do, not too much. Okay, a little will do. The mustard seeds got to burst a bit from here. Blasting out. Then I'm going to put in the dry prawns. Okay, put all. The more the better. Let it cook a bit. Starting to smell very good. The dry prawns. You don't need too much of oil for this actually. I use the tiny dry prawns because I'm going to blend this thing. And then in goes the dry chilies. And the garlic and onions. It has started to smell really good at this point of time. Then I put in the gongura or the Pulichakeerai, sorry. There's so many names for it that I'm getting confused now. And then some water to let it cook a bit. This is not going to take long. And at this point of time, you can also add some salt. Please don't add too much of salt, as you know that the dried prawns have a lot of salt. I am not going to cook this long. I'm just going to give it one boil because later I'm going to boil it back again after blending it. Okay, now I'm going to remove this. Put this into the blender. Let's stop it. Okay, I'm going to use a blender to blend it. Of course, it's quite hot, so it would be good if you could leave it for a while to cool first, at least about 10 minutes. Then you blend it and then you continue cooking. It's very hot, so this is the blended one. If you don't want it to be too fine, you can not blend so much. Add some water to it. Let it boil for a while, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can remove it. It's done. Let me taste it for you. Oh God, it's so good. Little bit rice and fried fish would be really perfect. So now it's really done. I'll stop the fire. Now we are done. Let me pour into a bowl. Please try it. Some of them would not mash it too much, but I like to mash it like this. If you don't mash it too much, don't blend it too much. Okay. So this is my Pulichakeerai Kadayal. Okay, it's quite nice actually because it has a sourish taste. Okay, with all the shrimp inside here, dry shrimp, it tastes really good. Okay, actually I can just put some white rice and eat with this. It's so good. You should try it. Okay, until the next video, see you. Bye.